ePROMIS ERP maintains the top position in FrontRunners ERP software report by Software Advice, a Gartner company. ePROMIS ERP secures the top position in the report, scoring 9.86 in a 10-point scale, which is the highest score ever achieved by an ERP software, improving its previous rating of 9.23. ePROMIS ERP is in the FrontRunners report for the fourth time in a row and has left the competition behind by winning the top position in the report for the second consecutive time. ePROMIS have also secured other multiple awards over the years. ePROMIS maintains the highest customer ratings in the ERP software industry for quality, usability, adaptability, and customer support. ePROMIS ERP serves over 1 million users worldwide from various industries and maintains the highest rates of customer retention in the industry. ePROMIS's comprehensive and innovative product portfolio, coupled with the excellence in delivering outstanding customer experience, makes ePROMIS distinctive even among the world's best enterprise software providers. For more information, do not hesitate to contact ePROMIS Solutions. Be smart. Do business better.